Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I'm going to talk about how can you get support in Bitget. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to get support in Bitget, you just simply have to open your Bitget application, and after opening the Bitget application you will get to see this headphone like icon into here directly. You just simply have to select that icon, and after selecting that you will get to see this page where you will get a lot of options such as top questions, self-service and facts. Now from this section you will get to see the criteria that you are having problem with. You just simply have to select the area where you are having problem. If you can't seem to find this, you can also talk with a chatbot and get solution. In order to do that, tap to online customer service, and after that the chatbot will be available to chat in here, and you can write down your problem to chatbot and it will give you the solution. Just simply do that and you will get support pretty easily. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching this video.